Since 1981, we have proudly stood as a global force in Alkyd resin production. Every day, we reshape a world filled with excellence and innovation, setting new benchmarks for the industry. At the core of quality and trust, we don't just aim to be a manufacturer. We strive to be an inspiring brand that leads the way. Customer satisfaction is the foundation of Alfa Kimya. The strong relationships we build with every customer are the driving force behind our growth and progress. The expert sales team of Alfa Kimya works tirelessly to deliver unparalleled service to both domestic and international customers. By truly understanding the needs of our clients, we continue to offer innovative solutions that go beyond expectations. Our customer-centric vision pushes us to constantly evolve, reinforcing our leadership in the global market. Every single day, we strive to boost customer satisfaction and contribute to their success. Financial strength is a cornerstone of Alfa Kimya. Our accounting, finance, human resources, and purchasing departments work with precision and dedication to ensure the long-term sustainability of our company. R&D laboratory of Alfa Kimya is the heart of our innovation and progress. Fully equipped with cutting-edge technology, this center is constantly evolving to keep up with the rapid change in our industry. We are relentlessly developing new and unique products to meet the ever-growing needs of our customers. Here, innovation is a way of life, strengthening our competitive edge in the sector. Our expert team not only follows trends, but anticipates the demands of the future. With our advanced automation systems, we push the boundaries of production quality and efficiency. Rigorous controls at every step ensure our products' reliability while delivering unmatched customer satisfaction. Sustainability is more than a goal for us. It's a commitment to the future. With eco-friendly production methods, we are not just protecting the environment. We are building a healthier, more sustainable future. Our quality control processes are executed with the utmost care to maintain the highest standards at every stage of production. The strict protocols we follow not only reinforce our credibility, but also elevate customer satisfaction to new heights. Our filling processes using bulk, IBC, and drum systems maximize efficiency at every turn. Each product is meticulously packaged and delivered on time, with safety at the forefront of our Alkyd production process. We never compromise on occupational health and safety standards. Our witness samples are an integral part of our commitment to quality. Every batch is carefully sampled to ensure the transparency and reliability of our products, guaranteeing the excellence we deliver to our customers. The logistics department of Alfa Kimya works with unwavering dedication to ensure your products are delivered safely and on time. Our fast, reliable processes rise customer satisfaction to the highest level. Each product is carefully packaged and shipped seamlessly to both domestic and international markets. Reliable delivery is an essential priority for us, just as it is for you. Alfa Kimya is not just a company, it is a strong family.